everyone, my name is Ibrahim. I'm from Muhammadiyah 14 School, Palembang. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a hare and a tortoise that's going to be racing each other in a race. A long time ago, there was a hare named Harry. He loved hopping and showing off to the other animals. One day, when he was hopping around, he saw a tortoise named Tommy. Tommy was a slow tortoise. Harry looked at him. Tommy, look at you! You are so slow! I could run circles around you! And then Tommy looked up calmly. Yes, I may be slow, but I always reach my goal. You reach a goal? It's going to take forever for you to get anywhere. I could beat you in a race any day. Tommy looked up calmly again. Why don't you race with me? What? I couldn't believe it. You want to race me? Okay, tomorrow we're gonna race. I'll show you how fast I am. The fox was the referee, and all the animals gathered to watch the big race. And then, get on your marks, set, go! The rabbit dashes like a lightning bolt, while Tommy walks carefully, step by step. And then, Harry said to himself, I'd win. I told you I'd win. Harry is so slow. I could take a nap now. So he took a nap and quickly fell asleep. While the animals cheered for Tommy, Tommy smiled and kept going, even when his legs were tired. And then, when Harry was in a big dream, thinking that he could win, Tommy had already passed him, and getting closer and closer to the finish line. Suddenly, Harry woke up and jumped. What? Where is Tommy? Oh, he is going to win this race. I'm going to rest him seriously now. Ah! And then, it was too late. Tommy had already won the race. Harry asked Tommy, how do you win me? How do you win? I am faster than you. While were you sleeping? I was running slowly. And then, I reached my goal while you were asleep. Oh no, why do I sleep there? I should have finished the race first. And Harry regretted it and learned an important lesson from Tommy. It is to stay always focused and steady every time. And that, my friends, is the story of the hare and the tortoise. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.